What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today we're going to put to the test 7 weird products on Amazon. I think this is a part 3. A long time ago I did a part 1 and part 2, it got a lot of views, you guys loved it. So I decided to bring back this series. Let's see if you guys gonna love it. For the first weird gadget I got here Viper glasses. Check this out. They sell them on batteries and wind up. I got the wind up ones. You know, safety is number one priority, so gotta upgrade my goggles. Check this out, boom. And right here is a wind up item. You wind it up. Okay, so maybe if you're running or something and water getting into your eyes, that way you can still see. It's pretty ridiculous, don't you think? Okay, let's try it out. We're gonna wipe it off and then spray water in my eyes. Let's see what happens. I guess kinda working, but not really. Anyways guys, super weird glasses, just for looks. It would be way cooler if they were actually wiping your glasses. Okay, that was pretty weird. Let's see what else we got. A little mask right here that I think goes on like this. And it has a strap. So what it is, if you love to sit in a shower and you're really terrible at it, you put this mask on and sit in a shower so that way nobody else can hear your horrible singing. So this is what this gadget is for. I can't believe it. Let's see which way you're supposed to put it on. Can you hear it? I was actually yelling. So you can also use it if you're really frustrated. So I guess it does blocks the noise. And there is a strap right here, so that way it can go over your neck. Super weird, don't you guys think? Anyways, this is probably gonna be my thumbnail. Guys, YouTube 101, just make a super weird thumbnail and you're gonna get 1 million views instantly. So how this goes on, like this. So you put this thing on and then put the Viper glasses on, that's it. It's really hard to breathe with this thing. Can you hear me talk? I don't know if you can hear me talk, can you guys? But yeah, there you go. 1 million views, guaranteed. Anyways, let's see what else we got here. For the next weird product, I got here ooze tube. It's like slime sand hour clock. So let's open it up and see what it's all about. This is actually pretty cool, but at the same time super weird. So you flip it over and all that slime supposed to go from here to there. Okay, let's flip it over, see what happens. All that ooze gonna go down on the other side. The bubble of air goes up and go through. Oh wow, that's so beautiful. And then the ooze comes out down this way. Wow, that bubble haven't popped yet. And there's a second bubble goes up. It's so weird. It's like lava lamp almost. Do you see the bubble pop and then inside of the other bubble come up another one? Well guys, looking pretty satisfying. I love it actually. Very unique product. For the next super weird gadget, this is a world first square beam flashlight. Usually, you know, the flashlight is circle beams because it looks like a circle, so the lights ended up being looking like a circle. Well, this one designed to be a square. So weird. Let's see how it works. It obviously did not come with batteries, so I have to probably go get some batteries. 4 AA batteries. Okay, the batteries are in. Let's plug it up. What? There is a red light on it? Let's turn off all the light. First of all, there is just a red, like a signal light, because it's not really a flashlight. It doesn't really illuminate much. It's more like a signal. And let's see what else we got here. Oh my gosh, it's actually square. I can't believe it. So all I'm gonna do is turn it on, and boom, you got yourself a square flashlight. So weird. I guess it can go really far away. Yeah, I guess if you point it from far away, you have this giant square beam. So I guess this flashlight is perfect for pointing from far away object. Because if you look at it close up, you see it's by my feet right here, it's a small square. So this is more like spotlight to make sure you see everything really bright from far away. And from far away, you see this beam gets even bigger. This is 12 feet ceiling right here, and look how big it is. And I'm only like 50 feet away from this, so this square gets even bigger once you get farther. Pretty cool. One of my light bulbs is out over here, so I'm gonna put to the test LED flame light bulbs. So it's supposed to mimic like you have a flame over there, like a little candle or something. So let's plug it in and see if it's actually going to look legit. This is what LED light bulb looks like, and it's plastic right here. Okay, let's see if it'll fit. If you look from far away, it actually looks amazing. I don't know if the camera picks up, especially in the dark, it will look like it's flames. Wow, this is so cool. I love it. Probably will look even better inside one of these tinted light fixtures, so that way you won't even see it's a LED light bulb. It will look like it's a flame. Okay, let's see how this light fixture going to look like. So much better with this tinted glass. It actually looks like it's flame inside there. Beautiful. For this super weird gadget, I got here a pedal toilet lid lifter. So you put it through like that, and then adjust the handle or something like that. And then it's supposed to lift it up when you press on it. So let's see if it's going to lift this toilet lid. Ah! Ouch! That was painful. Well, there you go, guys. There's a little gadget that is a pedal that's supposed to lift your toilet lid. Ow! Every time it hurts me. Let me try to set it this way. Ow! Okay, I'm done. Anyways, there's super weird gadget. I don't know how to set it up. All I do is keep bruising myself. Next weird product, LED glow sticks. Can you believe it? Do they even work like actual glow sticks? Because glow sticks are really mesmerizing and they're so unique. When you snap them and they glow, it's like magic. Well, let's see if this LED glow sticks are actually going to be just as fun as real glow sticks. Boom. I never seen LED glow sticks before. I don't even know. Oh, okay, there you go. Wow, that's actually pretty bright. But do they look like glow sticks? I don't know. They're definitely a lot brighter actually. And there's blue one. It's actually pretty awesome, but at the same time, no. Pretty good attempt. Glow sticks are so much cooler than these things. But I still give it a huge thumbs up because they really do glow really nicely. I think it's pretty weird that it's LED because it takes away this magic of glow sticks, that when you combine these two chemicals together, they glow. It's like so satisfying. These things are just light bulbs, so they're really cool, but not as cool as glow sticks. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Oh my goodness, what are they doing? What are you doing? They're so dirty right now. Why am I showing my dogs? Well, because they are so funny and I'm starting to film with them at least once a week. Lots of cool stuff, putting gadgets to the test. Also, I have few other pets and farm animals, so I decided to start a pet channel because I have so many ideas and I film so much with my pets, but half of the stuff I just don't have anywhere to post. So if you like Luke Hugo gas, cows, my iguana, aquarium stuff, maybe even beekeeping, and who knows how many more pets I'm going to get, and farm animals, So if you enjoy this kind of stuff, please subscribe to my pet channel, links in description, and also let me know in comments below which product was your favorite or which product was the most weirdest. And of course, don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. You have something to say? You got something to say? He's so cute. They're so muddy that it's been raining for 2 days. I gotta give them the showers. But it's okay, I have some cool stuff to put to the test to shower them and clean them up.